Next, we have Vilas Nayak, a self taught artist from Bangalore, India, who quit his corporate job to follow his passion for art. He has performed on some of the most prestigious stages in the world: the United Nations General Assembly in New York and Geneva, the NBA halftime shows for the San Antonio Spurs and LA Clippers, the Formula One awards ceremony at the Louvre in Paris, Asia's Got Talent, India's Got Talent, and many other events in over 35 countries. His incredible talent to create live artwork on canvas in a matter of minutes has brought him accolades from His Holiness the Dalai Lama, Brazilian soccer legend Pelé, former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, former President of India, Pranab Mukherjee, Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of Japan, Shinzo Abe, President of Afghanistan, Ashraf Ghani, and many, many more. Get ready to be amazed. Here's Vilas Nayak straight to you from Bangalore, India.
Well, first of all, thank you so much, Anuja San Antonio, for making me a part of this event. I wish you all a very happy Diwali. May this festival of light bring a lot of happiness and prosperity in your lives. Well, here is a painting. I mean, this is a Bharatanatyam picture. I mean, this is very close to my heart because I remember doing something very similar to this when I was a kid. So this was like kind of refreshing out of all that practice I have done as a child, and doing this live in front of all of you. I'm a self-taught artist. I grew up in a place called Mangalore, 60 kilometers in fact away from Mangalore city. I hope some of you would know this place. It's a coastal part of Karnataka in India. So growing up back then, almost 25 years ago, there was not even a television in our house. So there was hardly any distraction. In fact, I think that was one of the biggest benefit we had as kids growing up in 80s or 90s. So I could, in fact, invest all my time into doing something that I was really passionate about, and I was really passionate about painting and sketching right from my childhood. So I have been doing this for the last 25 odd years, and I quit my job in 2011. I was in fact working for a corporate company as an HR, and while working, my profile was talent management, and I was like, while managing talent of other employees, what am I doing with my own talent, my passion and my dream. I had a dream, as a kid I wanted to be a full-time artist, and so just to fulfill my dream and to chase my passion, I quit my job in 2011. Ever since then, I've been very fortunate to travel all over the world and perform for wonderful people like you. Well, this is something very different, due to this pandemic. We are doing this event online, but I remember visiting San Antonio a few years ago. I'm not sure how many of you have seen this picture, but any basketball fans, well, I was there in San Antonio to perform during the farewell event for Tim Duncan. So that was a fantastic experience, to perform during the halftime. They in fact later auctioned that painting, and the money went for charity and all that. And I remember visiting the Riverwalk. Before that, I had traveled to many other countries, and I was thinking, well, how good this would be. But let me tell you, San Antonio Riverwalk is perhaps one of the most beautiful places I have ever seen. I have traveled 35 countries, but I think this is one of the top. So I really look forward to visit San Antonio once again, hopefully next year, if you guys invite me again, and look forward to perform for all of you live once again. So I hope all of you like this painting. I'm going to create one more special painting for all of you. Here we go.
Thank you.